YouTube, and I'm also gonna be you know, making some. I'm gonna play Subway Surfers on the keyboard for the first time as soon as I die. I got 5. I've only got 5 tries. Boom. So we got H. Jump. Side. Boom. Jump. How about we swap it to only 3 tries? Down. Jump. Jump. Oh, it's getting better than it normally is. I'm absolutely horrible on keyboard because I don't even have a mouse or anything, so I have to like just use the 4 arrows on the keyboard. I don't care about how many coins. Oh, so we've only got 2 more tries left. See, if I swipe, you'll be able to see that I'm swiping. Oh, why is it like that? I ain't watching that advert. Skip it. I didn't even want to get coins, bro. Okay, so we've only got 2 more tries left. Thing is, that's really hard because I need to put my fingers on the 3. And when I click one, it will end up clicking both because I've got like a really small lightable one. Like, it's a really, really small one. Oh, schnibbity bat. Spanner. No! Got 1 more try. Oh my gosh. Please. Got 1 more try. I swear if this gets turned into a YouTube short, I'm gonna crash out. Yeah. Bye, guys.